guys, I'm going on vacation. I hire a Lego man to be for me today.
No, but we need you.
No, not today.
Oh man, it's not fun.
What do you mean it's not fun?
Who are you?
What happened to you? Alright, okay.
Guys, I made something. What do you mean? Look, this is my best experiment that I ever made.
Orange.
Look at this. Oh my God, it's pink.
Orange.
Pink. I love pink. Green must be a better color.
Shut up, Green. You're not even part of this. Ass.
No, you can't say that. This video is for kids. Okay, man?
Not a man.
Shut up, dude.
I guess. Orange.
So, guys, this could give you superpowers.
Superpowers? Hold on, guys.
Yes, superpowers. I got a great experiment to mix. What do you want?
Come here, Do not be afraid, but introduce. You broke them.
She's fine.
Here, take this stupid thing.
Video? Did I ruin the video? Or I was supposed to destroy him? Did I ruin it? Okay, everybody, drink it. May 1st. Your turn. Okay.
Is it my turn
That
next?
wasn't a real burp.
Did that light went out? Guys, that light just went out.
Oh man, that was so.
Let me go fix that light. Wake up, look. Wake up, my turn. Wake up!
Come on, everybody, let's go try it. Oh man, I'm so excited to get superpowers. Yeah, me too.
It's fake, you know.
My head hurts. Why does it hurt? Me too! Everybody!
They're gonna die. Wait.
Oh no! All my friends have concussion.
Concussion. Have you ever had a concussion?
What happened? I get sting! What happened? Purple? I'm not purple. I'm orange. But you're purple. I'm not purple. I'm orange.
Wait. Red?
What? Purple. You sound like purple. What happened?
What happened?
Wait, you sound like orange. You sound like pink. No, you're pink. No, you're pink. What? What's happening?
Guys, I know what happened.
Oh, I think I mixed the wrong chemical. So that chemical actually makes us switch bodies.
That was my idea.
Guys, we have to do something. And I can't see. Green, how did you get blind? I don't know, but I can see. It's so much fun. I'm gonna go see what the real world looks like. Squee's gone. What do we do? I can't see. Come on, let's just go. Grab my hand. Okay. Oh wait, I realized I don't even have hands because I'm pink. Haha! I finally got hands, and I have feet, bigger feet, wherever I get right now. Guys, we gotta fix this. Our lives cannot be like this. Oh my God, the world is so beautiful. And guys, if you don't remember where's my crown, remember, Jack the Pizza won. I lost my crown. Somebody cut my crown. You should. I can record that. Okay. Okay. So I can say. What do we do now? What do we do? What do we do? What do we do now? I don't know, guys. Aw, man, I can't believe I'm orange. My favorite color is pink, and then we switch some bodies because I'm some stupid guy named Red. I'm not stupid. It wasn't my fault. It was yours. Whatever. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, whatever. Guys, we gotta fix this. Our lives could not be like this. You are right. Red, get the experiment. Oh, I know. Hey, kid, give me the cup. Give me the cup. Okay, I got it. What should we do? A little bit. Okay. I think that's enough. Okay, that's enough. Now let's add some white paint. This may work. Guys, how is this supposed to work? There's no red. Don't worry about it. We're fine. Okay. Now we mix together. So let's put this in the microwave for 1 hour. What? 1 hour. Come on, let's go do it. Orange, it's not pink. It's not gonna work. Yeah, we're fine. No, pink. It's actually not gonna work. Oh, we're fine. Just mix it. Alright, let's add some red paint now. Okay. Now we mix for a bit. Look, see, it's starting to turn pink a little bit. Look, it's starting to turn a little pink. What did you add in it, guys? I add red paint and some white paint and some perfume. Wait, you just need a little bit more white. Gotcha. Oop. Okay. Now what else? You need a little bit more red. Okay. Oop. Almost like a Okay, let's do it. Let's mix. You know what? I bet we need más perfume. What is perfume? Don't worry about it. Alright. Guys, believe me, this is not alcohol. Don't drink this. This is actually to make you smell good. Oh, this smells so good. Experiments, experiments, experiments. Everybody loves doing experiments. Scientists are cool. And whatever we do. Okay, now we mix it. Ooh, I can't believe you're red. I know, right? Alright. Oh, okay, we're finished. Now let's put this in a red thing. Okay guys, let's try this. Now let's pour this in the red bottle. There we go. So now let's drink it. That's fake. It's a fake burp. No way! I can't sing anymore! Where? I'm gonna go to my mommy! I've accidentally put my bonds! Oh! What happened? We're back! Yay! We're gonna go to McDonald's and get a hamburger. Damn it, I don't have pants anymore. At least I'm back to pink, my favorite color. Finally, I'm back to myself, purple. Well, everybody, we fixed it. Oh, man. Experiments are fun. Nutrition, we always have to follow experiments, always follow some experiments. If you don't follow, it could go bad, and you could die. Be careful with experiments, be careful. Okay everybody, this is the end of the video. See you next time. Like and subscribe if you want part 2. Bye.